back for me. When I say get her back, I mean get her back. Come on, Alex. Where the world are you going? Where's he going? The man is right over here. I see him. I've got one eye. Welcome to the party, folks. Hi. Take this guy's head off of his body. Get his head for me. Yeah, okay, you missed. In case you came up wondering. That's what hitting someone looks like. You want to stop playing with her? Hit him for me.